And so today we're going to start chapter 11. In chapter 11, we're going to talk about probability. So the first thing that we're going to look at in this first section is we're going to look at a lot of definitions. So probability is used in many areas, including public finance, medicine, insurance, elections, manufacturing, educational tests and measurements, genetics, weather forecasting, investments, opinion polls, natural sciences, and games of chance. There are some famous mathematicians that have studied probability, and if you take a look in the book, it will kind of give you a little bit more detail about these different mathematicians. But for us, again, our main focus in this first section is we just want to think about these definitions. All right, so when we're looking at probability, our first definition is that of an experiment. So an experiment is a controlled operation that yields a set of results. The possible results of an experiment are called its outcomes. An event is a sub-collection of the outcomes in our experiment. Events are usually represented by uppercase letters, and then as far as indicating our probability, we're going to use P parentheses E, which means the probability of event E we read as P of E. Probability in general is classified in two different ways. It can be either empirical. Empirical probability is experimental probability, or theoretical. Theoretical probability is what we're going to be focusing on. It's our mathematical probability. Right, so again, same definitions, just a little more detail. So empirical probability is the relative frequency of an occurrence of event and is determined by the actual observations of an experiment. And then again, theoretical probability is determined through a study of possible outcomes that can occur for the given experiment. And that's again going to be more mathematical. So to start with, in this first part that we have here, just talking a little bit about our different types of probability that we're going to come across.